Today I'm going to show you how to fix high memory usage on Windows 11. Okay, so if you're struggling with memory, which I think lots of people struggle. What was I saying now? Oh yes, I remember. We're looking at memory. So I'm going to show you through a practical guide to diagnose and fix any high memory usage on your computer so it can run faster, smoother, and of course smarter. Let's jump straight in. First of all, Windows 11 is architecturally designed to consume more RAM than older versions. It's actually baked into the operating system by default. Modern apps, especially browsers with dozens of open tabs, are probably amongst the biggest RAM offenders on any system. Then, startup programs and background services also silently consume memory without ever appearing on your screen. And this is a big one. Then, hardware bottlenecks. So 8 gigs of RAM is barely the minimum for basic tasks today, right? So having insufficient memory can cause lag, it can cause your PC to freeze, and it can really slow it down. Corrupted drivers as well as malicious software can trigger unexpected memory spikes that are also very difficult to diagnose. So go and look through all of these and see if you can increase your RAM and make your computer run efficiently.